Hi everyone, this is Will. This is the X-axis Endstop for the Anycubic Mega-X. As you can see, I've previously removed a piece of the mount to allow clearance for the MK4 Fan duct. I'm not satisfied with that as a solution to put out there for everyone, and I'm sure that most people would rather not have to hack away at their machines if possible. I've now designed this replacement mount. I've printed it with carbon fibre PLA. Any PLA will be fine, I just wanted it to be black, and this is the only black PLA I have at the moment. I printed it in this orientation with a layer height of 0.2 millimeters and at a speed of 60 millimeters per second, and this took just over 20 minutes to print. The Endstop mount is secured at the back of the left-hand side of the Z-axis just below the motor, using two M3 screws. After disconnecting the cable and removing the original Endstop mount, remove the two M3 screws that secure the switch to the mount. For the replacement mount, we will use two 6mm M3 screws and two 8mm M3 screws. The holes for the switch mount are quite tight, and we do not want to use any nuts as this clearance is needed for the fan duct. The switch is mounted with the socket to the rear of the mount. Use 6mm screws to secure the switch. You may need to first use the screws to tap the thread. You'll also need two M3 nuts to secure the mount to the printer. There should be a tight fit, so they will snug in nicely. Okay, so now we're at the back of the printer looking at the left Z-axis stepper motor. We can see the two holes underneath where we'll be mounting the Endstop. And once it's secured in place, just reconnect the cable. And finally, we'll just home the X-axis to ensure that the Endstop is still functioning. Perfect.